The concept of flow in the pull system is a very important one. In this module, we will introduce flow in terms of a pull system by answering the question, what is flow? Let's get started. Whether it's Lean Six Sigma, just-in-time, or a pull system, flow is the term used to refer to a production or service environment that continuously moves value through the value stream without interruptions. An environment that has flow would have very low levels of Muda, Muri, and Mura. Flow can also be described as the progression of tasks involved in creating products and information, minus stoppages, delays, scrap, rework, reversals, and backflows. Flow applies to both materials and information. Another way to define flow is how work progresses through a system towards a completed state. When something has a good flow, it moves at a steady and stable pace towards completion. Bad flow, on the other hand, is when the work frequently starts and then stops again and again. Typically, when the flow is bad, there is waste somewhere in the process that is slowing or stopping the flow of the process. Companies should set goals that work towards establishing consistent and stable flow, which shorten lead times, adds value to all phases of the process, and seeks to eliminate problems and waste. While we won't dig deeply into this concept here, another way to think of flow is in terms of a value stream. When your value stream is flowing, it means value is flowing freely through an organization. Now that you know what flow is, we'd like to challenge you with a question that you can answer in the community or in the upcoming assignment section. What challenges do you have with flow in your place of work? And what do you think the easiest way to create flow in your place of work might be? We look forward to reading your answers, and we'll see you in the next module.